Welcome to PC Error Detective. In this video, we'll show you how to stop programs running in the background in Windows 10 so your system can run faster and smoother. Step 1. Right-click the Start button on your keyboard or screen. This opens a quick access menu that gives you direct shortcuts to important Windows tools without going through multiple settings. Step 2. Click Task Manager from the list. Task Manager is a built-in Windows utility that lets you monitor running apps, background processes, and system performance in real time. Step 3. Click the Processes tab at the top of Task Manager. This section displays all active apps and background processes that are currently using your system's CPU, memory, disk, or network. Step 4. Scroll down to find Background Processes. This area lists programs that are running quietly in the background, even if you are not actively using them. Step 5. Right-click the app you want to stop. Make sure you recognize the app and know it's not essential, because stopping critical system processes can cause issues. Step 6. Click End Task to stop it from running in the background. This immediately closes the selected program and helps free up system resources like memory and CPU. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful Windows troubleshooting guides.